So these are the steps to create a photo shoot of a high-end luxury version. I've been seeing a number of people doing this, so I thought let's give it a go and see what happens. So we're going to do this live. This is essentially the guide that I've put together. If you would like a copy, just feel free to let me know in the comments and I will share the link. First, you want to start with your concept, of course. So what's the mood? What's a concept? You can tend to just go to Pinterest for that. And I have already done that. I have this image that I'll bring up. So let's see if we can recreate this with our own avatar, AI person, influencer, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people tend to do this with themselves. I am choosing not to because I want to see how it works with AI generated images, but this should work just as well as if it was yourself. Some applications actually don't like human beings being attached. There's a trick, literally just about the wordings that you use. So instead of saying myself or woman, you can just put avatar. I'm just going to show you the avatar we're going to use. This lady over here. So keep that in mind. So first I have gone to chat and asked to essentially describe this image so I can use this and put it into Google AI Studio here to see if it would generate something similar. But what I have done is tweaked it slightly to say generate an ultra realistic photo shoot image of avatar attached, poses comfortably in a studio setting with neutral grey lighting, and essentially kept the same details that was in this result here. I'm going to quickly skim through it. It'll be interesting to see if it changes her hair. Let's see what happens. So just imagine if this was a picture of you. So you went to Pinterest, which I've done here. So I wanted to regenerate something like this. Then went to chat, to ask chat to describe this image. Got that prompt, took it to Google AI Studio, tweaked it and said ultra realistic. And let's see what it's done. So this is the lady. It's smoothing it out quite a lot of her features. It has kept her eyes, her dimples, her lips, and the fro is there. It's kept all the details of the jewelry that was in the prompt as well. Gold accessories, chunky necklace, and multiple cuff bracelets. It's done that pretty nicely. Now, if you wanted to use this image, for example, somewhere else, then the trick is to upscale it. And there's a number of upscale tools. So if you literally just Googled upscale image, as you can see, free AI image upscaler, there's Pixel Cut. So there's so many out there. Let's see what happens. So select image. Let's make sure we download this one. Download it, go back, select image, downloads this, click. And essentially what this is doing, it's allowing it to be suitable to be used across many different platforms. So what I intend to do, this is just on the go by the way, is probably use this image on a TikTok post. So here is the difference. As you can see, look at that, that is quite fake. It does look fake, doesn't it, a bit? And then here gives a bit more of the skin pores that's coming through. It may look blurry in your eyes, but actually it's making it a bit more defined. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we just uploaded with one image, but actually what I would like to do is upload multiple. That's a lady, that's one. Let's do... describe this image in font format in order for me to recreate. Oh gosh. In order for me to recreate a photo shoot for my avatar, the same style. So I'm asking chat to describe the image in font format. because it's really useful to speak to these models in its own language. I'll copy this, take it to Google. This is the old one, I'm going to delete that. And I would say generate an ultra realistic photo of my avatar attached. I was reading through it to see if there's anything I want to change. So she has long wavy hair and a confident composed expression, looking slightly to the side. Maybe I should say looking straight, looking directly at the camera, looking directly at the camera. And here's what she just said she's going to be wearing, which I don't mind. Let's keep all that the same for the purpose of this video. In orange. That's really exactly in orange. The setting is Cozy European Cafe. Yes, yes, yes. Camera mid-shot, eye level, shadow depth of veil, soft natural lighting, focus on elegance and luxury lifestyle, aesthetic. So let's see what happens. Run. Let's see what it's going to create. These are the images that I gave it. So keep that in mind. So the reason why it was blocked was because of the woman reference. And let me show you my avatar. Make sure this makes sense. Sitting and looking at it, okay. It seems it has generated it. Hello. It has kept her features broadly the same, I would say. So this is the image. Here's what we gave it. And I think it's done basically a good job at that. If you weren't happy with exactly how she looks or how you look in the picture, depending if it's you, then an alternative is to use this over here, whisk. So another way to do this is the scene. I would actually go to Google. Let me just download that. So upload. Let's upload the image. So remove avatar from image, because we're going to use the scenery and we're going to put it inside whisk. So it should remove her. That's done. So if it's removed her, I'm going to download that, go to whisk, go to scene, use that generated image. And then if you wanted to like guess her outfit, then you wouldn't put a style. If you wanted to have a particular outfit, again, then I'd probably go to Pinterest. Or you can even like go to Google and put in a dress. Okay, so this, for example. So you save that image. Then it's just picking it up. And I'll say my subject. Sitting at a cafe, Paris. Sitting outside a cafe in Paris, and let's see what it does. And I believe it has kept her. What would you say? And it's got her face, inspo of the outfit. It's kept the bag, the coffee glass, the glass of water, the chairs, everything. And if you wanted to refine it or animate it, you could do that. So refine would be hair. Animate, you could say my subject picks up glass and takes a sip. Until the next time, guys. See ya.